Hello there. Ever wondered how to create animated avatars for your presentations, videos, or marketing content? In today's video, I'll show you how to use Heygen on Canva to create your own animated avatars. Let's get started.
So to create your AI avatar on Canva, you head over to canva.com and log into your account using your email or Google account. If you don't have one, you can sign up very easily using your Google account, and then you can start creating your avatar. So as you can see, I am on the screen of my Canva, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into videos, and then I'm going to pick a video. So for this, I'll pick a video landscape, so like a YouTube video landscape. So this is what you would have on the screen. And then next, to find out where you can get Heygen, you type in Heygen here up on the video template or on the search bar right here, or you go down to apps, which is very easier to find because it's an app, and then you go to Heygen, and then you go to Heygen AI avatars. And then when you go into Heygen, you see GID, all these are like avatars, avatar generators. But for this lesson, I'll be using Heygen AI. And you click into Heygen, and then it prompts up this. So from here, you can choose your AI avatar. On this, you would see you can choose your AI avatar right here. So they have a collection, and then you can upload any if you have. So you can create one on, let's say, Canva, let's say ChatGPT, or all other image generating tools, and then you upload it. So you can create that and upload it right here, and then you can then select the view mode. Do you want it like this, or do you want it like this, or do you want it as like a pop-up, a small pop-up, or do you want it all on a full frame? So for this, I'll just pick this view mode, and for the text, I'd say, hi, I am your AI avatar. Lovely to meet you. To meet you. Okay. And then you scroll down, and then you can pick the voices. And before you pick the voices, you can preview. So for this, I haven't picked the avatar, so I would have to go back here and show you how to pick the avatar. So for this, I'm just going to look for a female. So something like this, and then I can scroll down and see if there's one avatar that stands out to me. Okay, I'll pick this, and I can use this, right? And then I can go down here and say, hey, I'm your AI avatar, lovely to meet you, right? I will be teaching you how to create one of me. And then you go down, and then you can listen to your script. So just before we go for this, Heygen actually gives you 3 time slots to actually create a video. But you can go around it by using temporary email. And when you go to temp email, pick the first one here. So it's this one. So it gives you temporary email. So what you can do, you have to accept. What you can do then is, if you are done using the tree, you can delete this app and then log in again all over. So for this, I already have one of one. I've used the other 2 to create the intro that you watched. So this is to show you how to actually make it. So Heygen makes it super easy for you to create animated avatars. And you can see you can choose from a variety of avatars. It's just that it's a whole long list, and it would have been nice if you could just search for what you want, like what they have on their own main platform. You can search for like YouTube, search for female, black, different categories, and then it comes up easy. And you can use these avatars for different use cases, like marketing, onboarding, customer support. So to move forward, I'm going to pick this voice. So before you pick a voice, you can actually preview it, but then it takes a while to actually load, so you can just keep trying. So this is one. Yeah, but I'm looking for a lady's voice, so I'm just going to go down. I had used Cassidy before, So let me see how if it comes up now. So it takes a minute to load, pretty slow, but I can just go with it and just hope it's something I would like. So let's say I just go with this. So maybe this. Yeah. So I could use this. So I could use this. That's the avatar voice I choose to use now. So I think I can pick it. So I've picked it, and then that's it. And so what I can do is then generate a video. And then while I'm waiting for it to generate, I can actually just grab a coffee, as it says, or I'll tell you how you could use the avatars. And how you could use them is, let's say you're doing onboarding or you're doing marketing or customer support, you could use these avatars to, engage with people as opposed to, having someone actually talk. And from some of the report I recently read, it says AI avatars might actually be more influential than influencers. That's like human influencers. So I don't know how true that it would be, but we're watching and we know that AI has really revolutionized everything and it's really changing everything very fast. So we're just going to wait till the AI video is generated, and then I'm going to then pick a template, and then I'm going to show you how to arrange it to make it professional and whatnot on your screen. Okay, so the video has been created, as you can see, and so I'm just going to add it onto my design. The video has been added to the screen. So what I can do now is I can go back to my designs and I could search for onboarding video. I've done this before, and I could just scroll down and see whatsoever I like and make a video out of it. So just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and so just trying to get a good template. Okay. Okay, just taking a minute, so just bear with me now. So, okay, I think I like this. It looks like a newsy thing. Sorry, I'm just going to add another page, and then I'll go back and I'll pick this one. So this is not onboarding, but this is something I think I like. So what I can do now is I can detach video from background, delete it, and then I can copy this and I can take it back here and I can paste it. And then I can set this video as background. And then I can change the colors, customize it. So what I normally use so much would be Open Sans. Okay, fix it up. Red is in the color. I'll use one of the brand colors. Let's make it this. And let's pick this and make it maybe green. No, just see color suite. Maybe this one. Yeah, just that. So I can change all to that, and I can say the Megan. Okay, the Megan of an AI avatar. Okay. I think I have to change the font of this. So just put it right here in the middle, and probably make it all caps and go down to text again and try and see what's the Legion Sparta is what I normally use. Not the best, but then this is what I'm just going to use either ways because that's what I use so much for my thumbnail. So I put it right here, and I would say yeah, updates. Okay, just I like the updates, so I'm just gonna put AI updates. Okay, and then take out the news. And then I could change the date to 2025. Maybe let's say today's date is today's date is the 16th of September 2025. September 2025. And You have it here, and you can even remove the background if you don't want to, and probably change this to another image. So I would look for AI avatars and just search them, and then look for a bot looking like. Let's see, which one do I like? I think I like this. Yeah, I like this. I put this instead, and then okay, it's too big, so I'd have to reframe it and get a smaller looking avatar. So 1 minute. Okay, I think this would do. So for this, I'll just put it a bit down and just probably reframe, and then try to extend the video so she's not so that's where the image is. So the making of an AI avatar. So that is how you create an AI avatar using Heygen. And then when you're happy and satisfied with your creation, you've added time. I have to delete this. I forgot that. Just delete it. Delete that. And so I have this. And if you want, if you're making it longer, you could add your animations. You could fine tune the text. You can do what you like. But for this, I think I like this. So this is how, okay. So let's see this. Okay, so I can share, and how can I share? I'll download it on as an MP4 and just click on download and wait for it to download.
Hey, I am your AI avatar. I will be teaching how to create one of me.
Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Head over to Canva and start creating your own animated avatars today. Let me know how it goes and feel free to share your creations.